Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display option, and here you can see eye comfort shield option. Then just tap here and that's it. Now by tapping here you can enable eye comfort shield and it's enabled successfully. Now here you can see two options, adaptive and custom, and you can choose any option as you want. Now if you enable eye comfort shield option in your phone, then it will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep. Now if I select custom, then you can set schedule for night light. You can see three options here, always on, sunset to sunrise and custom, but I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. Also from here you can increase or decrease your night light or eye comfort shield color temperature, and you can set any level as you want. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.